Hello, teachers. We are here to talk about name mnemonics, which I love as an activity to create a sense of team and positive culture in your classroom, and practically speaking, to learn all those names. So, this is how name mnemonics works. On the very first day of class, we've done our silent warm-up, we all know where we are. I will ask, does anybody know what a mnemonic is? Has anybody here ever learned a mnemonic? Usually blank stares. And then I'll say, Roy G. Biv is an example of a mnemonic. Maybe I'll say, take 10 seconds, you can talk to somebody around you so that they feel more comfortable volunteering in class. Does anybody know what the mnemonic Roy G. Biv stands for? And usually, when they have a little time to talk, somebody will say, it's for red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Yes, that is a mnemonic, because a mnemonic is any trick that you come up with that helps you remember a piece of information. Mnemonics are useful as a lifelong tool. A mnemonic can be an association that you make. For example, you can remember that an acute angle, cute, is less than 90 degrees because it's just little and cute. It's a cute angle. Association. And I say, so what we're going to do in our class is we're going to create name mnemonics with movement. And I want you to make a simple movement that is going to help the rest of us remember your name. I start by bravely being the first one to go. And I say, everyone, please repeat after me, Ms. Cecily. And they all say, Ms. Cecily. I say, great. This is an add-on activity. Who is ready? Who has a mnemonic, a movement to help us remember your name? What I love about this is it is kind of an informal assessment in that you learn a lot about personality when doing name mnemonics, right? You kind of see who's more impulsive, who feels confident to get out there, who needs a little bit more time to think about it. And what you do is every time a kiddo has a movement that they want to associate with their name, you can either write it up for them, or if you have it on a piece of paper on your wall, you can give them the pen and they go put it on. And what you do is it's just cumulative. You add and you add and you add. Usually I will do, say, like 6 names a day, 2 before recess, 2 before lunch, 2 before the end of the day. And it just adds on and on and on. So you go, Miss Cecily, Johnny, Maria. And by the end, what is so beautiful about it is that you have 24 or 28 or 32 movements and everybody's name. And as a student pointed out, it's unique to that group of people. And once you have it, you can pull it out anytime in the year, have it on the wall. Whenever maybe you need a little boost or the kids need a little boost, name mnemonics. There are 2 guidelines that I give when I ask people to come up with a mnemonic. Say number 1, it's got to be simple enough for me to do. I pin it on myself. And then you kind of avoid having the Jeremy's. That can get difficult. And I say the second guideline is that it has to be something that nobody else has done yet in the room. It needs to be unique to you. Name mnemonics. I hope you find them useful and fun in your classroom, and thank you for teaching.